Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ledger Nano S Plus. First, unbox your device and connect it to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application on your desktop or mobile phone. This essential software helps you manage your digital assets. Follow the clear on-screen prompts to initialize your new device and establish a secure 8-digit PIN code. This PIN protects your device from unauthorized access. Your 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. It is absolutely crucial to write it down accurately on the provided recovery sheets. Store these sheets in a highly secure, private, and offline location like a safe. Remember, anyone with this phrase can access your assets, so never, ever share it with anyone. This step is vital for your long-term security. Once your device is set up, open Ledger Live and connect your Nano S Plus. You can then easily add accounts for the various cryptocurrencies you wish to manage. To receive funds, simply select the relevant account and copy its unique receiving address to share with the sender. When sending, choose the account, input the recipient's address, and always confirm the transaction details on your device's screen before approving. To maintain the highest level of security, regularly update your Ledger Nano S Plus firmware using the Ledger Live application. These updates often include important security enhancements and new features. Always double-check all transaction details directly on your device's screen before confirming any send operation. For an extra layer of protection, you might explore using a 25th word passphrase, adding another robust security measure to your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.